Hello, JNN Reviews here, and today I would like to review this free sample provided by SeSe Code. So it is a beautiful blouse, color blue. It's like a blue and a green, and it's a size medium. And I like it because, okay, one of the things that I like is that it covers the mid of my arm, so it is 3/4. It's very flowy, as you can see here. Um, so this is how it looks in the back, and this is how it looks in the front. It has like an aqua design, water design kind of thing, and it's double lines. So you have this in the front, this mesh that ends like in a triangle, if I can call it like that, and it has the line here that you can put it inside your pants or outside as you wish. And it's also very flowy, so it has this like a shawl on top that it gives an extra elegance and an extra beauty to the blouse. This is a size medium, which is the smallest size that they have available, but it's a little bit big on me. So also, I like it also for gifts or for hanging out. If it's summer, you don't need to worry about the heat because this mesh is very air flowing, if I can call it like that. It's very nice. I like it. I like to match it with a pair of black dress pants because it will give me an extra elegance for the office or things like that. I hope you check it out. Thank you for watching my video.